With our data entry app finished, let's just add to it some custom events just for practice. For example, I want to add an event when my accept button will change color when mouse hovers over it. Do you remember how to do that? Well, pause the video and give it a try. So what I want to do is when I hover on the accept button, it will change color. Alright, so here is my solution. I would select the accept button and go to my property windows and to the events over here. So I will scroll down to the mouse hover event. So here's my mouse events and here is mouse hover event. And I'm going to create my event. I'll just call it btn accept underscore hover. And press enter. I'll hide this. So the event was created and I can now set the color. So again, I'll just going to do the btn accept button dot, and I have a back color property, and you can see that it just gets or sets the background color of the control. So I'll use that, and all I have to do is assign a color to it. So I will assign a color dot, and which one you want? I'll want aqua, because why not? And that is the event. So let's test it. I'll Control F5, and if I hover over it, it changes the color, as you can see. But when I move the mouse away, the color remains. So what I need to do is also set up an event that changes the color back to the same color it was when the mouse is moved away from the button. Can you do that? Give it a try. Pause the video and try it yourself. And I'll give you a hint. You want to set up the mouse leave event to accomplish that. So good luck. Alright, so here is my solution. I will find the mouse leave event. So I'll go back to my property windows for the accept button. And I have the mouse hover, and over here is the mouse leave. So I will create another event, and I'll just call it btn accept underscore leave. And press enter. Let me move this away again. So here is my event, and all I want to do is change the color back to what it was. So I will do again btn accept dot back color, and the color I want is when I go back to the accept button. Actually, let me bring the properties back, and I'll click on the properties. So the back color of the button is called control. So that is not really like a black or white or anything in between. This is a specific color for the controls on the form. And these colors come from system colors class. So when I go over here, I can hide that. The color I want is coming from system colors class. So system colors, you can see over here that it says each property of the system colors class is a color structure that is the color of a window display element. So I'll select that. That color is the control. Simple as that. So let's test that. I'll run it. So now when I hover over accept, it changes to blue. It goes back to the original control color. So this is working correctly. But now let's say I want the same functionality for the clear button. So I want the clear button to change the colors just like the accept button when I hover over it. So can you figure out how to do that? use the same event for both of the buttons. Well, give it a try, and I'll show you how I do it in the next video.